स्वागतं नमः सर्वेभ्यः शुभरविवासरः प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम्। ॐ तत्सत्। अस्तु। वयं सुभाषित षष्ठः पाठः षष्ठे पाठे आस्म। तत्र सुभाषितभागस्य एकस्य सुभाषितस्य पठनं कृतवन्तः वयं। कदर्तितस्यापि हि धैर्यवृत्तेः न शक्यते धैर्यगुणः प्रमाष्ट्रुम् अधोमुखस्यापि कृतस्य वह्नेः नाधः शिखायान्ति कदाचिदेव। तु यथा धैर्यवान् दूषणे सत्यपि धैर्यं न त्यजति तथैव अधोमुखीकृतवह्निः अपि स्वस्य शिखाम् अधः न नयति, उपरि एव ज्वलन् भवति इति उपमालङ्कारः तत्र दृश्यते। उपमा इति अत्र इति नास्ति, परन्तु तथा सूचितमस्ति। अस्तु, द्वितीयसुभाषितं पठामः। नागुणी गुणिनं वेत्ति गुणी गुणिषु मत्सरी गुणी च गुणरागी च विरलः सरलो जनः। नागुणी गुणिनं वेत्ति गुणी गुणिषु मत्सरी गुणी च गुणरागी च विरलः सरलो जनः। Very nice. So the last leg is the muse, the wonder, questioning wonder of the Kavi, one of the styles we have seen. So some type of people are simple people like that are very rare. Saralaha viralaha janaha kidrishaha janaha guni cha gunaragi cha janaha saralaha tadrishaha saralaha janaha viralaha eva iti. किमर्थम् एवं कविः वदति? किमर्थं गुणीजनाः गुणरागीजनाः च विरलाः इति? गुणीजनाः के? येषां गुणः अस्ति, स्वस्य गुणः अस्ति, ते गुणी इति सूचना। तेषां तु गुणी। गुणरागी इत्युक्ते ये जनः, जनः इत्युक्ते यः कोऽपि, पुरुषः महिला वा जनः इति स्वीकारः। तु ये गुणरागी अपि इत्युक्त अर्थात् न केवलं स्वस्मिन् गुणाः भवन्तु इति न, अन्येषु अपि यदि सद्गुणाः दृश्यन्ते तदापि तेषां तत्र ईर्ष्या वा मत्सरा वा न सञ्जायते। तु बहु सम्यक्, एषः अपि एषा अपि बहु सम्यक् करोति, एतस्य धर्मः बहु समञ्जसः इति एव चिन्तयति। गुणरागी सः, यत्र सद्गुणान् पश्यति तत्र स्वार्थाय विना सः पश्यति। कति जनाः तादृशाः सन्ति लोके? विरलाः एव। तादृशाः सरलाः मुग्धः जनः सरलः एव, अर्थात् विरलः एव, अर्थात् मुग्धः जनाः विरलाः इत्यपि अस्माभिः बहुवचने अपि स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते। अत्र एकवचने सूचितमस्ति, वयं जानीमः जनः इति एकवचने अपि बहूनां समूहरीत्या सूचना दातुं शक्तिः अस्ति तस्मिन् शब्दे। तत्र तस्य उपरि किम् उक्तमस्ति कविना? न अगुणी गुणिनं वेत्ति। सो अगुणी कः? यस्य गुणः नास्ति, यः धूर्तः, यः कोऽपि वा, यस्य सद्गुणः नास्ति इति स्वीकारः। गुणः अस्ति परन्तु दुर्गुणाः एव सन्ति तस्मिन्, तु अगुणी इति तस्य सूचना। न अगुणी गुणिनं वेत्ति। A person without any useful gunas, he doesn't really know, okay, a guna, who is a gunavan. He is like, he's in his own world. So he is unable to understand or appreciate a guni. Okay, Veti is in the sense of knows, but here we have to take it in the sense of appreciate also. Okay, so Vida Jnane iti Veti iti bhavati tatra knows, but anyway. So then second pada he is saying Guni Gunishu Matsari Yasya Gunaha Asti Kinchit va Sadgunaha Asti iti Suchayitum Shaknumaha तस्य अपि अन्येषां गुणीनां कृते मत्सरः वर्तते सः मत्सरी भवति मत्सरी इस् ए अप्लिकेशन् टु हिम् यस्य मत्सरः अस्ति सः मत्सरी इति तो मत्सरी भवति सः तो गुणः अस्ति परन्तु सर्वे गुणाः न सन्ति इति कृत्वा मत्सरः वर्तते दुर्गुणः मत्सरः इति दुर्गुणः we see even we are very susceptible to this we very susceptible why couldn't I think of it I thought I was so smart very common competitive nature of matsara is very common in us so this also Kavi recognizes see one who is not having good guna he doesn't know guna okay not we cannot even blame him much he is totally at fault but then those who seem to have some gunas they are also maintaining matsara for others those who are gunis and amatsaris that's what he is kind of indicating through the last one so gunicha gunaragi cha gunaragi he we have to take it in the sense of anyeshu gunaragi anyesham guneshu ragi evam swikarah तो विरलः जन सरलः जनः तो ना गुणी गुणिनं वेत्ति गुणी गुणिषु गुत्सरी गुणी च गुणरागी च विरलः सरलो जनः so there is sandhi very easy so we saw here saralah janah so there is a utva of visarga other than that there is zero sandhi here I think oh okay na guni yeah na aguni na guni there is one savarna dirgha correct okay so that's all very straightforward pada vibhaga and sandhi so definitely you cannot expect this with respect to having lot of that analysis okay but it's kind of nice to understand its intent so pada 1 one statement pada 2 second statement pada 3 plus 4 together one statement pada 3 describing a type of person and then telling that such a person is very rare such a simple honest person is very rare one who is not virtuous fails to appreciate the virtuous okay they have taken the meaning virtuous for guni okay nice and a virtuous man is envious of the other virtuous. A simple man who is both virtuous and fond of virtues in others in bracket. Okay, most importantly, that has been missed there. Fond of virtues in others is rarely found. Okay. Here, ladies will agree that we have taken the Pullinga man. Because ladies we will find in abundance with this kind of dual qualities. By nature, they are very sacrificial. A man is so selfish. That's not the case for women. So I definitely see that in my life. Okay. So then they have given Anvayartha. I'm sure phrase by phrase they have given. So that's not too different from the Tatparya. I think Tatparya is kind of nice also. No problem for me. Any questions? Okay. Our whole class is very silent with this very significant Subhashitam. So time
I
for
think without in others, it loses its meaning.
exactly.
It
doesn't
hold any meaning.
yeah. It has to have in others in there.
Yeah,
yeah.
I read it so many times, it wasn't clicking only.
Anyeshu, we have to. Adhyaharana is very critical. Somehow I'm sad they didn't. At least they could have. See, here they have. Here they have. I don't know why they didn't bring it to Tatparya. Here they have in others. Yeah. They should have importantly brought it to Tatparya. It's more belonging in the Tatparya. Anyway.
So there's one question. You put your Latti, Veti. So Latti is which Lakara or it is lit?
Lit.
Lati. Actually, it is no. See, actually, Veti. Let me cross check. Okay, Lati simply means latlakare. That is saptamyam lati iti. This is a technical Paninian word. Okay, not a Laukik word. Lat lakare lati iti hrisvena. Lat lakare iti saptamyam. In lat lakara, the whole thing is said by lati. It's a, if you see now in our grammar, we don't just use the word without vibhakti because there will be ashuddha. So we have to hyphenate it and attach it to some akya or some such thing, or go with the correct vibhakti.
So Mahodaya,
Mm.
I have here, this is on this Gunaragi. So Ragaha, I would say this is from this Ghai Pratyaya of this Ranj Dhatu. But how about this Guna? So Guna and Ragi, what is the samasa they have used?
Sandhi. Guneshu yaha ragi, gunaragi.
So this is Saptami Tatpurusha, is it?
Guneshu ragaha, gunaragaha. Gunaragaha yasya asti saha gunaragi. Two samasas.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Right, Ravi Shankar Mahodaya. You agree, na?
Yes, Mahodaya, that's what I'm thinking. This is Saptami.
There is Saptami Tatpurusha in the Prathama Bhaga. Then Guna Ragaha Yasya Saha. Guneshu Ragaha Yasya Saha Gunaragi iti tatra Bahubhrihi in the second part, you can say. Okay.
Oh, okay.
If you take the Pratipadika of Gunaragi, then it is Gunaragaha, or actually along with the Prathama Vibhakti. So Gunaraga is the Pratipadika. Gunaraga, if you break it as a samasa, you can say two ways. One is gunasya or gunanam ragaha, gunaragaha, athava guneshu ragaha, gunaragaha. Both are okay there. Okay.
And I think they have also added the Guna Raga as a Samasta Padam. For that, they have added Ini Pratyaya.
Yeah. That is the person indicator. Bahuvrihi. Guna Ragi. Like that. Yasya Guna. Guneshu Ragaha Yasya Asti Saha Guna Ragi. Yeah.
Right. And it has become Guna Ragin. And just like Gunin Shabda, it has become Guna Ragin. And from Guna Ragin, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, they have taken Guna Ragi.
Your knowledge level is higher than me. So you have clearly explained it very well. So like you have explained that is there. But there is a sense of Bahuvrihi in doing that. Yes.
Thank you, Mahodaya. I'm just also learning. I'm sorry.
No. Thanks for coming out with this. When you know certainly clearly, come forward and explain for us. We will enjoy the learnings.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
So those who are not into samasas at this level, don't worry. So Mahodaya was actually, at almost the next level, he was explaining that word. At this level, it's not needed to go into the samasas. But it's unfortunately, even though we don't need to identify the samasa, etc., the meaning of that word cannot be obtained without knowing such a construct. That the one who is having desires in the others guna, others is our interpretation, guna, there is a guna ragi. All the technicality Ravi Shankar Mahodaya nicely put. Yeah. Kavya Katha. So somebody had raised their hand, they have lowered it. Who wants to, somebody new, let me pick someone.
अहं पठामि
नारायणन् वर्य अवश्येन पठतु प्रथम काव्यकथा इति प्रारम्भः करणीयम्
काव्यकथा परीक्षायाः आद्यमेषु पञ्चसु पाठेषु शिशुपालवध काव्यस्य कथां वयं ज्ञातवन्तः इतः परं किरातार्जुनीयकाव्यस्य कथां पश्यामः।
तो अत्र किं वदन्तः सन्ति शिक्षास्तरे एतावत्पर्यन्तं पञ्चसु पाठेषु अस्माभिः शिशुपालवध माघस्य शिशुपालवध इति काव्यस्य संक्षेपकथाम् अस्माभिः वयं ज्ञातवन्तः सा तादृशी कथा अस्माभिः ज्ञातं कर्मण्यम् अर्थो इतः परं शिष्टभागे षष्ठपाठतः दशमपाठपर्यन्तं शिष्टभागे नूतनकथां कस्य काव्यस्य किरातार्जुनीय इति नामकस्य किरातार्जुनीयम् इति तत्र समस्ते तद् विभक्ति निष्कासितमस्ति किरातार्जुनीयम् इति काव्यस्य इति यदि वयं विभजनं कुर्मः तर्हि तथा करणीयम् इति स्थापितव्यं तो किरातार्जुनीयम् इति काव्यस्य कथां पश्यामः तो किरातार्जुनीयं कस्य काव्यं महगस्य एव स्यात् कोऽपि जानाति वा
भारवी
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 अत्र लेखनीयमासीत् तैः तथा अत्र किमर्थं तद् न सूचितम् इति न जाने अत्र भारवेः काव्यम् इति सूचना दातव्यमासीत् अस्तु अस्तु अस्माभिः स्थापितव्यं तत् अस्तु पठतु महोदय
किरातार्जुनीयं धर्मराजाय द्रौपद्याः उपदेशः
एकनिमेषं सामान्यतया काव्यानां नामानि नपुंसके भवन्ति तदर्थमेव किरातार्जुनीयम् इति सूचना रामायणं महाभारतं किरातार्जुनीयम् इतः पूर्वमपि मया तद् उक्तमस्ति सामान्यतया नपुंसके नामधेयं भवति पठतु महोदय एतत् धर्मराजाय द्रौपद्याः उपदेशः अस्मिन् किरातार्जुनीये कथां संक्षेपेण पञ्चभागान् कृत्वा अस्माभिः पाठ्यते अत्र अस्मिन् षष्ठे अध्याये तु केवलम् एतस्य प्रसक्तिः धर्मराजाय द्रौपद्याः उपदेशः सो द्रौपदी किमपि उपदेशं धर्मराजाय ददति तस्य उपदेशस्य कथनम् अथवा किम् अभवत् इति सूचना अत्र अस्माभिः अस्मिन् पाठ्यक्रमे ज्ञायते इति सूचना अग्रे गच्छतु महोदय
महाभारतस्य कथा प्रसिद्धा
बहु सुलभं प्रसिद्धा एव कथा महाभारतकथा महाभारतस्य कथा इति लिखितमस्ति महाभारतम् इति कथा महाभारतस्य कथा इत्यपि सूचना अर्थात् तस्मिन् काले अस्माकं देशः महाभारतम् इति देशस्य नाम अपि महाभारतम् इति तु तस्य कथा इति प्रसिद्धा कथा अस्ति
कौरवपाण्डवयोर्द्यूतं समाप्तं
द्यूतम् इति कौरवपाण्डवयोः द्यूतं मीन्स् गैम्बलिंग गेम okay where you keep pana and do some some game so kaurava pandavayoh dyutam samaptam so their game of what do they call it here in number 1 oh they didn't give the meaning of that but you can take that as a gambling game something like
chud
in our different bhasha slightly different names are there correct samaptam it got finished
kaurava jayam praptavandah
see now you see what Samskrita Bharati is doing to us they are not trying to keep it very simple they are throwing in lot of compounds sandhis at us because they expect us to climb up a little bit so that's why all these iti bati katana and all has been dropped so directly see here visarga lopa kaurava like that jayam praptavandah they obtained victory
pandavaah parajitaah
restatement of the other side of the story they are defeated
neyamanusarena yudhisthiro anujaihi saharanyam gatavan
correct actually saharanyam savarna dirgha is there so yudhishthirah uttva is there visarga so niyamanusarena there is a sandhi but we can't break it at this level we can only hyphenate niyama hyphen anusarena niyamanam anusarena niyamasya anusarena you can do breaking in bahuvachana or ekavachana so Yudhishthira and Anujaihi Saha. So Yudhishthira along with brothers. Aranyam Gatavan. So because the Pana, whatever the Dyuta Pana or the whatever was the agreement of whoever loses will do what, was that the loser will be banished from the kingdom. So he goes to Aranya. Same story as Ramayana, where Rama and Sita had to go to Aranya. Similar to that. Yes, continue, sir.
अरण्ये युधिष्ठिरः दुर्योधनस्य राजभारक्रमं ज्ञातुम् एकं किरातं हस्तिनापुरं प्रति प्रेषितवान्.
Samyak. Aranye, Saptami Ekavachane, in the forest, Yudhishthiraha, the Dharmarajaha, Pratama Pandavaha, Duryodhanasya, Kauravanam Putreshu Prathamasya, Rajya Bharakramam, Katam Saha Rajyasya Bharam Vahati, Rajya Bharakramam, Iti Gnatum, how he is ruling, to know. Ekam Kiratam, one Kirata. There isn't much of a translation I can give. Demigod is one translation they come up with. So we'll take that. Demigods. So Kiratas, Gandharvas, and all those Yakshas, like this, there are a lot of paraphernalia characters who go along with the Deva Samuha, Devagana. So they are that. Okay. So that such a messenger, Kiratam, okay. Okay, here hunter.
Kirata.
Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake then. Because then the Gandharva Yaksha, I don't think Kirata go into that class. It's this some other Laukika fellow only. Okay. All right. So hunter, accusative case. So Kiratam Hastinapuram Prati Preshitavan. So some trusting forest mate who was a Kirata, he sent him to the capital Hastinapura. Prati, towards that Preshitavan, he became the fellow who sent, or he sent him, like that. Continue, Mahodaya.
सः किरातो ब्रह्मचारी वेषं धृत्वा गतवान्.
That hunter, Kiratah, Kirato, Saha Lopa, Visarga Lopa, Visarga Utva. Okay, Brahmachari Vesham Dhrutva. So he wanted to hide in the some other alternate dress. So he took the dress of a Brahmachari. That means as if he is some pious fellow. Dhrutva Gatavan. So he wore that and went.
ततः सः वनं प्रत्यागतवान्.
Saha iti visargalopasya expansion kritavan Mahodaya. So tataha, after that, okay, saha, that Kirataha, vanam pratyagatavan, punaha returned iti. Astu.
प्रत्यागतवान् means
Vanam pratyagatavan, he came back to the forest.
Okay. युधिष्ठिरं निवेदितवान् च दुर्योधनो राजसिंहासने स्थितः.
Yudhishtiram niveditavan cha, he indicated or explained. Nivedanam means some kind of a, when you place some sentences in front of another, that is nivedana. So he recited to Yudhishthira, and he recited to Yudhishthira, Duryodhanaha Rajya Simhasane Stitaha. Oh, Duryodhana is the one sitting in the throne. Okay. Obvious. That's not much there. I mean, at least it's not as if the brothers are fighting. So maybe Pandavas thought, okay, there are enough infighting there, and there will be riots, etc. That is not the case. He seems to be ruling the roost. Continue, sir.
तदपि भवतां विषये स भीतः.
Even though he is steadily sitting in the Simhasana, tathapi, despite that is the sense. Okay. Bhavatam Vishaye, about your, upon you, about you, sahabitaha, he is afraid. Okay.
सा नीतिपूर्वकं राजशासनं करोति.
He is ruling the state. Rajya Sasana is ruling the state. Okay. Niti Purvakam eva kurvannasti atha Niti Purvakam karoti. He seems to be ruling with the proper law and all that. Nothing nonsense seems to be happening. That's the report. Yeah. Continue.
सेवकान् मन्त्रीणि वा
Mantrini va?
मित्राणि वा पश्यति.
मित्राणीव दीर्घ
सेवकान् मित्राणीव पश्यति
पश्यति सम्यक् सेवकान् द्वितीया बहुवचना so the all the helpers as karmapada mitrani iva as if they are friends okay mitram mitre mitrani napumsaka shabda बहुवचने मित्राणि इति मित्राणि इव मित्राणि इव सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि इ प्लस इ pashyati so he considers all his sevakas as friends. Oh my god. Continue sir.
मित्राणि बन्धूनिव बन्धून् स्वामिभावेन च पश्यति.
Not just that, he treats his friends as if they are his relatives. Mitrani bandhuniva. Again, this is in Dvitiya Bahuvachana now. Okay. See, Sevakan Mitrani iva pashyati. Okay. Mitrani there also was in karma position. Okay. Here again continuing in the karma position. So who is karta for the pashyati? Saha. So mitrani cannot go to pratama. Okay. So be careful when deciding these vibhaktis like that. Try. It's very easy to get the karta first by looking at the kriya pada and the context of the sentence. Then you know, oh, mitrani cannot be karta because how can Duryodhana also be a mitra? He cannot be. So this mitrani is in Dvitiya as a target, and sevakan mitrani eva both are in Dvitiya because they are related and sitting both in karma position with respect to the statement of pashyati. Okay, same way now mitrani bandhuniva. So again pashyati relates to Duryodhana. So mitrani goes to Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Okay. Bandhun iva. There is no sandhi. There is a simple samyoga. Halanta nakara colliding with the ikara. So simple ni emerges. Bandhun iva. Continues, sir.
सामन्ताः सर्वे तस्य
Oh, sorry. I forgot. I apologize. Mitrani bandhuniva. So he sees mitras as bandhus, and then bandhun swami bhavena pashyati. Oyoyo, the relatives are elevated as if they are his superiors. Swami bhava. That means he is listening to all his bandhus as if they are elders. So he is not having any nikrishta bhava towards them. Very nice. Continue.
सामन्ताः सर्वे तस्य आदेशं परिपालयन्ति.
Because he is a Chakravarti, next question comes, what about his subordinate kingdoms? Are they all doing fine? Yes. Samantaha anye rajyapalaha ye asya duryodhanasya samantaha santi te sarve samantaha itukte yaha एतेन सह चक्रवर्तिना व्यवहरति एषः दुर्योधनः अस्माकं चक्रवर्तिः अस्मासु युद्धः न स्यात् इति सामन्तत्वम् अस्ति सामन्तः इति मन इति पदेन एव तत्र तो दे थिंक टुगेदर सो सर्वे तस्य आदेशं परिपालयन्ति all of them take his directions that means there is no revolt outside of his immediate country also. Continue. Allies. Yes, very good. Yes.
राज्ये सर्वत्र कृषिरुक्तकृष्टास्ति.
Oh, again you have to read.
सामन्ताः पालयन्ति. राज्ये सर्वत्र कृषिरुक्तकृष्टास्ति.
Okay, little tongue twister. I will read it for you. Krishi Rutkrishtaasti. Krishi Rutkrishtaasti. You should not break the takara. You should not break the takara.
Krishi Rutkrishtaasti.
Takara didn't come.
Oh, Krishi Rutkrishtaasti.
No, takara didn't come.
Krishi Rutkrishtaasti.
Okay, Mahodaya. Practice it.
Okay.
This is a very good word to practice. Once you get it right, you will know yourself. Okay, that you are getting it right. Krishihi Utkrishta. You know Utkrishta very well, right?
Yeah.
Utkrishta. So just don't forget Utkrishta there. Krishi Utkrishta asti. Athva Utkrishta asti. Savarna dirgha. Okay. Well done. Anyway, Rajye in the state or the country, sarvatra everywhere, krishihi the Krishi Karya indicates the trade here generally. Okay, all farmer and trade activities. Krishi Utkrishta asti, superior leveled it is. That means it is happening very well. That means not only everything is Shanta, everything is Samruddha also. Okay, that kind of. So Krishihi Utkrishta, Krishir Utkrishta, Rutva of Visarga. Krishihi has taken the Repamsha here. So Krishir it has become, and then combined with the Utkrishta to make Kritir Utkrishta. That Rakara and Ukara collision is simple Samyoga. There is no Sandhi. But the Repamsha is due to Visarga Rutva. Okay, so together there is a Visarga Rutva there. Because you cannot write Krishir with Avasana and write Utkrishta. That will be in error. If you space them out, you have to write Krishihi Utkrishta. If you don't space them out, you have to put the Repamsha, Krishir Utkrishta. This is a Samar.
महोदय इति कृषिः उत्कृष्टा अस्ति
Correct. Samyak. Agre patatu Mahodaya.
गुप्तचरा विश्वासयोग्याः सन्ति
Guptacharaha Visarga Lopa. So Guptachara is those people who move in secrecy. See how the name is so beautifully constructed. So Guptacharaha, those who move around seeking information, of course, in secrecy. Like our Kirata only. Vishwasa Yogyaha Santi. So
They are
all
spies. Huh?
spies. Yes. So his spies are deserved of trust. That means they are not like double spy, triple spy, and all the nonsense. They are not James Bonds. They are doing their proper work. Continue.
ते अन्यराजानां वृत्तान्तं तस्मै निवेदयन्ति
So they of the other kings happenings, vrittantam, whatever is happening is called vrittanta. Okay, the happenings of the other kings, that means whatever juicy news related to other kings, probably Virodhis and Samantas sometimes. Allies have to be kept in touch, tabs also, no? Like you saw, America spies on Germany and such things. So we know that, right? There are spies all over India also. In India, they don't even need Americans to spy on India. A lot of Indians are queuing up for the job. Anyway, Tasmai Nivedayanti. So to him, they communicate that. That means they are not only Vishwasa Yogya, they are doing their job. Continue, sir.
एवं स प्रबलो महाराजो भविष्यति
Like this, he, Visargalopa, Saha. So evam Saha, like this, he, Prabalaha, Utva. So a strong Maharajaha, Utva again, a king, a strong big king, Bhavishyati, he will become. That means the way he is set up, the way the happenings are there in his country, he is set up to become a good, strong king. Last sentence.
अधस्त्वं जेतुं भवता उपायः कर्तव्यः इति
So you can't walk in there, fellow. Ataha, therefore, tam jetum. Tam is whom? Tam Yudhishthira. Sorry, Kshamyatam. Duryodhanam. Tam Duryodhanam jetum. To win over you, Duryodhana. That means to defeat him. Bhavata, by you. Bhavat Shabda only. Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantah. Bhavata, by you. Karana Karaka. Upayah Kartavyaha. Okay, a good plan has to be prepared. You can't think you can just walk in there, boss, like this. The Kirata reports. Well read, Mahodaya. Thank you. Anybody else wants to come forward? This is excellent, guys. Good chance to prove yourself. Jaya Ramakrishna is coming forward. Thanks, Bhagini. Patatu.
युधिष्ठिरो गुप्तचराय पारितोषिकं दत्त्वा तं प्रेषितवान् ततो
एक निमिषं किञ्चित् अवसानं क्षमा क्षमा तो युधिष्ठिरः one second, I'll mute everyone. Jaya Bhagini, you have to mute again. There are 4 or 5 mics that are unmuted. Jaya Bhagini, unmute yourself again. So Yudhishthirah Guptacharaya Paritoshakam Datva Tam Preshitavan. Yudhishthira, the fellow, as a Karta, For the Guptachara, this is our Kirata. Okay, for him, Guptacharaya, see, Chaturthi, Sampradhanam. Because Dattva, so the Dhatu, Dana Karya dictates the Sampradhana Vibhakti in the receiver. Paritoshakam, so that is the present, some bag of gold or whatever he had, poor fellow. Tam Preshitavan, he sent him off. Okay, continue.
ततो भीमादीनां सम्मुखे किरातेनोक्तं विषयं द्रौपद्यै कथितवान्.
So Tataha, after that we have seen many Tatahas before. So here it is in Tato. So there it was Tataha. So there are different rules. So Utva is directed against the presence of some Mrudu Vyanjana. Sakara is a Karkasha Vyanjana. So they rated that the Okara could not be done. So they left it. Okay, Tatahasa. I don't know whether Visarga Lopa was available or not, whether they didn't exercise. Because see, Saki, Kakara is a Karkasha Vyanjana. Here there is a Visarga Lopa. So maybe we have to go later on as we study this Visarga Sandhi, we will get to know intimately. So we can come back here and inspect whether any opportunity of a Sandhi has been given up or it has been done or it is not possible. That's why it has remained. So this kind of exercise will be interesting later. So unfortunately, we have not studied Visarga Sandhi at all. So we cannot do that analysis now. But I have kind of kept on giving hints even from Parichaya level. I have talked about it. Okay, so Tataha, from after that, Bhimadinam, that means the other brothers, Bhima Adinam, there. Okay, so this is Shashti Bahuvachana. Sammukhe, in their presence. Okay, in the presence is Sammukhe, there is Bhimadinam Sammukhe. Kiraten Oktam, by the Kirata, the whatever was said. So one word for that. Kiratena Uktam. So there is a what Sandhi Bhagini? Jaya Bhagini, what is this Sandhi? Kiratena Uktam.
किरातेन उक्तं गुणसन्धि.
Guna Sandhi, wonderful, wonderful. You are not forgetting your Parichaya level lessons. Very nice. Okay.
Can't afford to forget, Mahodaya.
I agree. It is now, as we climb into this level, that is looking like a joke, right?
But it might happen at my age. I'm not sure.
Bhagini, don't tell us. You are very young. So
Okay.
Vishayam, the news, Draupadyai to Draupadi Kathitavan, he told. So that means in addition to Bhima and others, Draupadi was also present when he recited the whatever the Kirata said. Kirata would have met him in privacy. That is the nature of good acharya. So he would have told, and then it is for Yudhishthira to decide who else knows the news. Continue, Bhagini.
युधिष्ठिरस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा द्रौपदी उक्तवती.
So Yudhishthira.
नाथ,
continue.
हे नाथ.
Oh, okay. You stopped there. Yudhishthirasya vachanam shrutva, having heard the word of Yudhishthira, shrutva tvanta. Okay. Sorry, Bhagini, in between I think we lost your voice, so I thought you stopped. Anyway, wait. Draupadi Uktavati. Draupadi told. She had a clear opinion. I don't know about other brothers. As usual, ladies have strong opinions. So that is very good. She told her opinion. Hey Nata, hey Lord. Yudhishthira. Okay, then continue, Bhagini. Strinam.
तथापि
No, you have to read as Strinam because we never heard that.
स्त्रीणाम् उपदेशवचनेषु पुरुषाः प्रायेणानादरं प्रकटयन्ति.
So Strinam.
प्रायेण अनादरम्.
Anadaram. Prayena anadaram. Savarna dirgha. So Strinam of the ladies. Shashti Bahu. Okay. Upadesha vachaneshu. Samastapada. Okay. Upadeshanam vachanam. Upadesha vachanam. Upadesha vachane. Athva upadeshasya vachanam. Tatapi. Upadesha vachaneshu. Saptami bahuvachane. Okay. So in the Upadesha words of ladies, Purushaha, the useless men folk, Adhyaharana in brackets. Prayena, perhaps, Anadaram, with any respect, no respect, disrespect, Anadaram, disrespect, Prakatayanti, they publish because they think that they themselves are seen weak when they show appreciation for that. Continue, Bhagini.
तथापि मम हृदयव्यथा वक्तुं मां प्रेरयति.
So, see how careful Draupadi is. Okay, first she softens them up, saying, "Look, I know you guys will, you guys are not like that. Other Purushas." So for her, yeah, she may even, if you go back to the Kavi's original, you may see more color there. Huh? So you are not Samanya Purushas, you are Asamanyas. So listen to me. So she's softening them up. So Stuti. First, lifting them as you are not Samanya Purusha. So she's literally binding them in her words. Okay. That's why you should go back to the Kavi's original and take that Sarasya. Okay. Look, what happens today was happening then. So you can see the color even then. Tathapi, even then. I don't know whether you read that.
I read it. Mama
Ah.
hridayavyaथा
Vaktum
vaktum mam prerayati.
prerayati. Even then, tathapi mama hridaya vyatha vaktum mam prerayati. So, my own hridaya vyatha itself, okay, hridaya vyatha is the subject. Strilinga ekavachana, hridaya vyatha. Okay, my heart's sorrow, the lady sorrow in my heart, mam prerayati. She encourages me for what? Vaktum prerayati. Mama hridaya vyatha is the collective subject. Okay, mama is the sambandha karaka attached to the hridaya vyatha, and that lady is encouraging me. Beautiful sentence, huh? Continue, Bhagini.
Tvam patni samam rajyalakshmim parityaktavan.
You patni samam Rajalakshmim. You in your Dyuta, she is really coming down on Yudhishthira like anything. If he doesn't hang his head now, I don't know when he will. Patni samam Rajalakshmim. See, you actually there is a implicit. I think we have to go back to the Kavi. If you remember, he actually puts Draupadi as the Pana for the Dyuta. Such a horrible thing he does, right? So here पत्नीम इत्येव पठितव्यम् अस्माभिः. त्वं पत्नीं परित्यक्तवान् इति पठितव्यम् अस्माभिः, न तु पत्नी समां राज्यलक्ष्मीं परित्यक्तवान् इति. So that's how we should actually take the Rupaka Alankara here. Anyway, so you gave up the richness of the country itself, who is herself like as the status of your wife, has the status of your wife. That much respect you should have, and you have given that up. Continue, Bhagini.
Atoyam bhimah kathamasti pasya.
Oh my God, she's hammering him. Ataha, therefore, I am Bhima, this great fellow Bhima. Katamasti, how is he? Look at him. He would have become like a thin reed, I think, by now, due to Aranyavasa. So she is really pricking. Okay, continue, Bhagini.
Purvam sasundara manche shayanam karoti sma.
He used to sleep earlier. He used to sleep in a beautiful bed.
Idanim dino bhutale shayanam karoti.
Dinaha. Okay, Dino.
Dino bhutale
Correct.
shayanam karoti.
So now that poor fellow, Dina, okay, poor fellow, Bhutale Shayanam Karoti. He sleeps on the floor.
I am Arjunah Purvam Uttaradesham Jitva Suvarnarashim Anitavan.
This Arjuna earlier, he went for a great conquest and won the lot of northern regions and brought lot of gifts, Suvarna Rashi as gifts from the Samantas who got defeated. Anitavan, he brought all those riches.
Idanim Sayeva Valkalam Dharati.
Now that fellow only wears barks for his cloth. Valkala is like, using forest barks and such produce to create a cloth. So obviously Narumadi, fibers of the forest to make a cloth. So Valkala, he wears that. Continue.
Vanyajivanam Karoti.
Vanya Jivanam Karoti. So he leads the life of a forest being. Okay, now Narumudi, Narumudi you told, no? Correct.
Narumadi.
Narumadi. Okay.
Narumadi.
Correct. Mudi would be headdress, I guess.
Yeah.
Correct. Continue, Bhagini.
Nakula Sahadevau, Sukumarau, Komaladehau.
They also find a mention. She's so kind. She's so kind. I never found reference to Nakula and Sahadeva.
She
So
has
easily.
to be Mahodaya.
Yeah, Mahode. Imagine
She
her
has to
life. Imagine her
Yeah.
life. Nakula Sahadeva, Sukumarau, Komala Hridayau. These two fellows, Nakula and Sahadeva, they are, Sukumaras. They're like Sukapurushas, Komala Hridayau. They have very delicate bodies. Continue.
Tau Kathine Bhutale Shayanam Kurutaha.
Dvivachana. Those two, upon the harsh Bhutala, okay, Shayanam Kurutaha, Dvivachana again. They sleep on the harsh Bhutala.
Etesham Kashtam Drishtva, Tava Dukkham na bhavati kim.
Are you not sad looking at these fellows' difficulties?
Aham Ativa Dukkham Anubhavami.
She's not telling anything about herself, you see. Aham ativa dukkam anupavami. Such a nice, kind soul. She's not complaining. I am sleeping on the floor. So ladylike. Aham ativa dukkam anubhavami. I am undergoing lot of sorrow looking at my husband's suffering this way. She says nothing about Yudhishthira's difficulties. Notice that. So I think whoever has prepared this Saramsha has been very, very honest to the original intent of the Kavi. So this encourages me to actually go and read the original Kavi's works also. Continue, Bhagini.
Maharaja, Tvam Shantim Tyaja.
Hey,
Shatrunam Vinasham Kuru.
Kuru. Hey, Maharaja. Sambodhana. Okay. Tvam Shantim Tyaja. Hey, you give up all these niceties of being quiet here. Okay. Shatrunam Vinasham Kuru. Go and destroy your enemies.
Shantir Muninam Swabhavaha.
Natu Kshatriyanam. So the so it is not the nature of, it is the nature of the Munis to be Shanta.
Na Swabhavo Nrupanam na.
That is not the nature of kings.
Samaya Niriksha Nochita.
So keep waiting, hey, okay, something will happen, somebody will come rescue and do all that. You cannot keep waiting. Samaya Niriksha is waiting. Simple word, nice word for waiting. Waiting for the clock to tick like that. Okay, na uchita is not proper.
Yo Vijayamichati sa Samayanusarena Sandhim Tyajati.
The one who is desirous of victory, he asks in a timely manner. Samayanusarena is in a timely manner, but literally it means following time. Okay, cannot translate that way in English. So in a timely manner. It's a beautiful phrase in Sanskritam. We have to go to the best phrase in English. Sandhim tyajati. He gives up sandhi in the sense of
Compromise.
Sandhana.
Compromise.
Not compromise. Sandhana is actually agreement. Okay. So he gives up the agreement that
Peace treaty.
Peace treaty. Well done, Mahodaya. Peace treaty. So he gives up that peace treaty. Okay, like that. Continue, Mahodaya.
Ato Yuddhaya Pravrittim Kuru iti.
So therefore, please start planning for a war. Pravritti means be engaged, be active, proactiveness. So proactive, literally pra comes from pro, literally see the pro comes from pra. So, ataha, therefore, yuddhaya pravrittim kuru, become proactive for the sake of yuddha.
Eva muktva Draupadi tushnim abhavat. Ahamapi tushni bhavan.
So evam uktva. So this is simple samyoga. Like this, having told Tvanta, Draupadi, tushnim abhavat. So again, simple samyoga. Quiet, she became. So we already saw the sandhis. So time to answer the questions.
Mahodaya, quick question. Up there, I think number 30, no uchita, 32. Shouldn't that be gunasandhi?
Na uchita, no chita. Correct. It's a guna sandhi.
But down here they have written as
actually that is a total, actually separately in another context it could have been naha, okay, but in this context in this context it cannot be naha. So because samaya niriksha naha na uchita. How can Draupadi say uchita samaya niriksha? So even if she said naha, she should have said no. So no nachita, something like that, if that is possible. Okay, no nuchita, no. So anyway, I don't want to explore that sandhi. So this is correctly to be split like you indicated. Na uchita, nochita, guna sandhi. Cut that and make it guna sandhi. There are errors. It's good that we are able to now climb above these silly things and see that there are typos and oversight errors. If you just take no chita, you can do naha uchita, and actually no, even then you have to do you can do no and then uchita and do savarna dirgha. How can you absorb u? No, na uchita it will become yanta avanta desha sandhi or something has to be brought into the equation. So it cannot any time split it into naha uchita at all. It can only be split as na uchita guna sandhi no chita only. Okay.
Sir, one question here. Please explain this. Tado bhimadinam somukhe kiratanoktam vishayam Draupadi kaditavan.
Previous, correct. Tataha, after that, tataha Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva, Adina. Adi is not required if I say all the names. Bhima, etc. Led by Bhima, the other brothers, Bhimadinam, of their Sammuke, in their presence. That's how you read that. Kiratena uktam, by the Kirata, whatever was told, Vishayam, that statement or news, Draupadyai Katitavan. So you can take this Bhimadinam Sammuke Kiratenoktam as along with Yudhishthira, Bhima and other brothers were present when Kirata told, or you can take that as actually we have to take it in because ततः भीमादीनां सम्मुखे मम अपि च भीमादीनां सम्मुखे किरातेनोक्तं विषयम् इति मम इत्युक्ते तत्र युधिष्ठिरं प्रति ततः युधिष्ठिरस्य अपि च भीमादीनां सम्मुखे ओके किरातेन उक्तं विषयं द्रौपद्यै कथितवान्. So that means Draupadi alone he told.
Okay sir.
युधिष्ठिरः कं किमर्थं हस्तिनापुरं प्रति प्रेषितवान्? Crowd source answers. किमर्थं
दुर्योधनस्य
राज्यपालनक्रमं राज्यभारक्रमं you can say in many राज्यपालनक्रमं also is fine. ज्ञातुं ओके हस्तिनापुरं प्रति किरातं प्रेषितवान्. बहु सम्यक्. So युधिष्ठिरः एकं किरातं दुर्योधनस्य राज्यभारक्रमम् अथवा राज्यपालनक्रमं ज्ञातुं प्रेषितवान्. तुमुन् has to be thrown in. Okay. दुर्योधनः मित्राणि बहून् च कथं पश्यति? बन्धून् च
स्वामी भावे
बन्धून् स्वामी भावेन च पश्यति. सम्यक् उक्तं. मित्राणि बन्धूनिव बन्धून् स्वामी भावेन च पश्यति. वेरी डन, वेल डन. पुरुषाः प्रायेण कुत्र अनादरं प्रकटयन्ति? उपदेशवचनेषु उपदेशवाक्येषु अथवा उपदेशेषु so anadaram prakatayanti. Nothing has changed much about this from Mahabharata times. Okay, how can it? We are in deeper Kali Yuga. Number 4, Shantihi Kesham Swabhavah. Kesham Swabhavah na. Easy one.
Shanti Nina Swabhavah.
नृपाणां स्वभावः न
नृपाणां स्वभावः न शान्तिः ऋषिमुनीनां स्वभावः नृपाणां राज्ञानां स्वभावः न नृपाणाम् इस् ईजियर् देन् राज्ञानाम्
So we can say Kshatriyanam also.
क्षत्रियाणां वेरी गुड क्षत्रियाणां स्वभावः न यस वेल डन सो कः संधिं त्यजति
यः विजयमिच्छति सः
यः विजयम्
समयानुसारेण
इच्छति
सन्धिं
सः
त्यजति।
सन्धिं त्यजति यस् तत् सन्धिरपि अधार्मिका सन्धिः आसीत् स्वस्य मौढ्येन एव न तु दुर्योधनादीनां इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः तत्र यद्यपि शकुनिना किमपि असमञ्जसकार्यं कृतं तत्र द्यूते we know how gambling is, we think we are too confident of ourselves and we gamble. Okay. So, yaha vijayam ichchati, saha samayānusārena sandhim tyajati. This also has to be nicely added. See, samayānusārena is a critical aspect. Simply, he should not abandon any sandhi according to the times. He has to drop it. The times were bad because the actual anyaya was done to them like that. Nice. So we have some beautiful pictures as usual. Actually, I didn't talk much about the previous slide. So this, look at this lovely artist work. Though the little bit of European style is there here, but it's nice. So Draupadi shown in more genuine pictorial. Dushasana doing the nonsense. And Yudhishthira is still wondering what went wrong.
Krishna is not shown there.
Krishna is there here. Who is he? Krishna.
Sir, Duryodhana
No,
is a
Krishna will not
very
be
nice,
there in that
nice
Sabha.
Krishna is
administrator,
not there.
a
Krishna is
very
not
good
there.
king.
Yeah. Krishna has to be
Krishna is
invoked.
not
Correct.
there.
So this may be
Sir,
Shakuni or
Duryodhana
somebody.
is a very good king. Good king, Duryodhana.
But the scene is not yet about that. The scene is about the Dyuta. Okay. I agree. I don't have disagreement. If the Kirata was a correct reporter, then it's all correct. I agree with you. So this is Duryodhana encouraging Dushasana to do that nonsense.
What about Shaguni, sir?
Shakuni must, one of these characters only must be Shakuni. Maybe this bluish fellow is Shakuni. I don't know. I cannot conclude who is Shakuni here. We have to ask the artist. But clearly, you can see here. This must be Bhishma lamenting with Dhritarashtra. There was one more Vidura or somebody also was there. Maybe it is Vidura also. We don't know. Anyway, this is Bhima looking like a weakened person here. Dharma holding him back. Okay, that must be Arjuna. So, blue.
Mahodaya, also those days the historians were so honest. Even the enemies, they described them with praise and so much of greatness.
Correct. Even
both in Ramayana.
Ravana, for example,
Beautiful in Ramayana.
whatever was wrong with him only has been described accurately. Whatever was right with him has also been described accurately.
Yes.
Correct.
The historians were such honest people, unlike our textbooks.
Fair enough. I agree. So here, a picture where, so I don't know this katha, where obviously Krishna has come visiting and then Draupadi is showing some empty vessel. I want to know.
That is the thing where
Durvasa.
Oh, Akshaya Patra. With that she feeds. Okay, very nice. Then they are doing Shiva Puja, Pandavas. Then this is the scene. Another. This is from. This looks very much like Chandamama's type of thing. It's a picture of Vastra Apaharana. Okay, so let's move on. We'll take a break now. We'll take a break and come back to this Anvaya Rachana and continue for half an hour. So it's just about 12 o'clock. So 12:04, 12:05, we'll restart. Okay. Take a water break. Welcome back. Just wait for a few more seconds and start. It tick to 12:05 on my clock here. Okay. पुनः अग्रे गमिष्यामः. तो अन्वयरचना. अत्र तु वयं भगवद्गीतायां प्रथमाध्यायस्य केचन श्लोकान् पठन्तः तेषाम् अन्वयरचनां कृत्वा अन्वयं कथं करणीयम् इति ज्ञानप्राप्तेः कार्ये मग्नाः स्मः. किम् अभवत् एतावत्पर्यन्तं? तदेव अत्र उक्तमस्ति. श्रीकृष्ण blew the conch named Panchajanya and Arjuna. That shloka we studied. ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ. सप्तमी महति इति. माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्कौ प्रदद्मतुः. So both Krishna and Arjuna, they blew divine shankhas, okay, as they stood in the ratha, okay, and what that ratha which was engaged with white horses, okay. So that's what that whole sutra was. And actually they skipped one after this, I think, where it explains, one or two I think they have skipped, where it explains actually the name of these conches are named, and then that's what that is actually missing. I don't remember seeing that verse. Panchajanya, Devadatta, that verse is missing. And actually it goes on to say Bhishma did in the beginning. Bhima, Yudhishthira, Virata, Draupada and others also blow their conches. So all that is there in couple of verses or one verse that is missing in between. We didn't miss much there. So then they continue with the one subsequent. So that is this verse.
Shloka 1.15 Mahodaya. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjayah Poundram Dhadmau Mahashankam Bhima-karma Rikodaraha.
And then Virata Draupadascha, something comes next also, right?
Next is Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha Nakulaha Sahadevascha Sughosha Mani Pushpakau.
Pushpakau. Then Virata Draupada, one more verse is missing then.
Another two verses are missing. Kashyacha Parameshwasaha.
So lot of, for some reason they have chosen, they have moved forward and chosen this. After, you know, they did not want to go on and on about, I think, conch blowing. So they said, okay, let's go to, for Anvaya reason, perhaps the Anvaya was easy there and again saying similar things. So they said, let's move to this one, okay, because some Kriya Padas may be different. So maybe that. Okay, so let's, one of you Bhaginis wants to volunteer who have such melodious voices and the correct pronunciations to read this.
I can try, Mahodaya, but
try Bhagini. Yeah.
सघोषोधार्त राष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्.
पुनः
सघोषोधार्त राष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्.
Well done. Excellent, Bhagini. So remember Ranam, we have to do Ranakara. Maybe, of course, due to microphone compression algorithm, I may have heard Nam. It's something we have to be aware, that's all. So Saha, so that is a Visarga Lopa. Goshaha Utva. Okay, that sound. Okay, Dhartru Rashtranam. Shashti, Bahuvachana. Dhartru Rashtras are the group of Dhritarashtra's followers. That means Kauravas, you can take it in that sense. Okay, so all the Kauravas, okay, Hridayani, the hearts, okay, Vyadarayat, it rent, okay, rent in the tore. That means it literally shook so much that the hearts of all these people vibrated as if it was going to break, like that sense. Okay, so that means it created a little bit of tumultuous, I don't know how to pronounce it even, tumultuous feeling in their hearts.
So we can take it as splitting.
Yeah, splitting. Yeah, rent is the correct word in English for that. Okay. Then
Mahoday, in your words, tumultuous is also coming from tumulo.
Correct.
English.
Nabahacha, yeah, Nabahacha Prithvim cha eva. So Nabascha is a so-called sattva becomes chutva in the end because of the presence of the chakara. So Nabascha it will become, but first there is sattva of visarga, then there is chutva of the sakara. Okay, Nabascha. So there is a double sandhi there. Prithvim cha. So the sky, Nabaha is actually Dvitiya Ekavachana. It sounds like Prathama Ekavachana. Be careful. See here, the sound is little bit intricate. Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabas iti Pratipadikam. Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha, Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha, and evam agre gacchati. So there's an opportunity to look at couple of vibhaktis also. So Nabaha, Dvitiya Ekavachana, Yatha Prithvim, Dvitiya Ekavachana. So both the sky and the earth, okay, Tumulaha Vyanunadayan. Okay, so they resonated with some kind of, you can say, violence type of thing. Okay, I mean in a strong way like that. You can actually, because Tumulaha is in Prathama. Okay, it's Prathamanta. We have to take it all the way with Ghosha. Okay, so Tumulaha Goshaha Vyanunadayan. Prithvim chaiva Vedunadayan. They made them resonate like that. Okay. Hrudayani. Actually, Venunadayan is in Bahuvachana, right? So what is being taken as?
Mahodaya, looks like there is a mistake there because the original shloka is Nabascha Prithvim Chaiva Tumulo Bhyanunadayan. Tumulo Bhyanunadayan.
Is it? Tumulo Bhakara is there?
Yes, Tumulo plus Abhyanunadayan.
Not Abhyanunadayan. Tumulo. So there is a avagraha. Oh, okay. I don't know why. Maybe sometimes Patantara is there. Okay. We have to accept that sometimes Patantara is there. I don't think this is a deliberate mistake, maybe Patantara. So, but I don't know what the meaning of Abhyanunadayan will generate.
It's not there in the Gita press. It's not there in the Gita press. It's like this.
Is it with V Anunadayan?
Yeah, here it is V upasarga plus anu. Vya yakara is generated due to end sandhi. So V plus anu plus nadayan is the word. So the original is that. So I have to see why abhi comes and what difference it makes. Maybe not much. Okay.
There is no abhi, sir.
No, Bhagini, like I said, there may be a patantara. Patabheda. What you are looking may not have it.
But Gita press is the most authentic, so I'm looking at
that is one patha. Okay, all right. Maybe it's a genuine error, but it is so confidently carried. You see, Vyanunadayan, etc. So I think it is Patabheda only. Let's leave it at that. We'll call it at least this patha has the difference, if nothing else does. Okay, so Saha Goshaha, Sagoshaha Visargalopa, Goshaha Dhatrashranam, Gosha Ukara, Gosho Dastra Ukara, Utva. Then Nabahacha, Nabascha, Visarga, Chutva. They have identified both clearly. Cha Eva, Chaiva, Vriddhi. Correct. Cha Eva, Chaiva, Vriddhi. Then Tumulaha, Vyanunadayan, Tumulo, with again Visarga, Ukara, Utva. Why O comes out of Ukara? Akara plus Ukara, again Guna. So Okara generates. Okay, Tumulo it will become. You will study when you study Visarga Sandhi Utva, we will know that. It comes in this chapter only, I think. So that tumultuous roar, tumultuous or whatever roar. So the Tumulo goes with Ghosha, you see. So, resounded in heaven and earth. So Nabha has been taken as heaven. Nice Tatparya, not as sky. Literally as heaven and earth. Very nice. And rent the hearts. That is that Vyadarayat. Hridayani Vyadarayat. Rent the hearts of Dhritarashtra's son, Dhartarashtranam, Dhritarashtra's sons, his clan. Okay? Nice. So, Saha Tumulaha Goshaha Nabaha Prithvim cha Dvitiya Ekavachane Tavadvam Vyanunadayan. Okay. Only I think this is not in a lakara mode. I have to check this carefully. Dhartarashtranam, because Goshaha Vyanunadayan. Goshaha. So it's in Ekavachana. Okay. So we have to analyze that. Oh, this is Shatru. That explains it. That explains it. Okay. See, that's why that unending. Vyanunadayan, creating that resonation, while resonating, we have to continue. Okay, the Kriya Pada is Vyadarayat active. So Vyanuna, now that explains. So trying to conclude it is as if that's one sentence. No. So Shatranta, Vyanunadayan Kurvan, that way. Okay, Nadayan Dhartarashranam Hridayani Vyadarayateva. It literally rent the hearts of the Dhartarashtras. Okay, beautiful. Okay. That explains it. I think somewhere Shatranta would be given clearly by them also. They didn't indicate Shatranta, but it is Shatranta. Okay.
But sir, does Vyanunadayan go with Dhartarashtranam? In which case?
No. Vyanunadayan doesn't go with Dhartarashtranam. Vyanunadayan goes with Gosha. Goshaha Vyanunadayan Tesham Hridayan Vyadarayat iti. Hridayani. Hridayani is not pulling us, so Hridayani Vyadarayat. Vyakya Vishleshanam. I should actually immediately I'll put this here because I myself will suffer in the future when I teach future batches if I don't put Shatru there. Sorry to take all of your time. That's why I'm writing here, madam. That's why I'm writing here so that it's very clear to you is what is Shatru. I'll explain again. Wait. See here. See, my wonder was earlier I thought this is like as if Vyanunada Yat. If it was Vyanunada Yat, then there was no confusion. Okay. But it is not that. It is Vyanunada Yan. And that is also at the end of the pankti. So there is no influence of any sandhi or something like that. So Goshaha Vyanunadayan. So this is a Shatranta in the sense of Ramaha Kurvan, Ramaha Patan. Same way Goshaha Vyanunadayan. Okay. So that is a Pullinga Shatranta form associated with the Pullinga word Goshaha. So the sound resonating while as it resonated, as is in the sense of Shatranta, while resonating, it tore the hearts of the Dhartarashtras, of the followers of Dhritarashtra, like that. Now it's clear? I think so, Bhagini. So, Vakya Vishleshanam, Kriyapadam Vyadarayat, Ekameva asti, Pradhana Kriyapadam, Shatranta Kriyapadam atra asti. तत्र किमर्थं सूचना नास्ति त्यजामः. ओके, क्रियापदं क्रियादारयत् प्रथमा सः घोषः तुमुलः व्यनुनादयन्. Actually it's a Shatrantak prathama. They should have not so easily just thrown it in like that. Okay, Dvitiya Hridayani Nabaha Prithvim, no problem. Shashti Dhartarashtranam, Shashti Bahochana. Avyayam cha eva. Fine. The word Vyanunadayan is to be taken with Nabaha Prithvim cha and Hridayani with Dashra. No problem. But the Vyanunadayan should have been indicated as a clausal verb, not like a thrown in like a Prathama Vibhakti stuff that they have done. In the stack, it should have come with a little bit of hyphenation or what they call tabbing, so that it comes as a clause. So because this clause...
Sir, Nabaha, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti or Prathama Vibhakti?
Here, sir, Dvitiya Ekavachana. Here, you see, I already put it on the screen. Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha, Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha, Nabaha, Prithvim, both are in Dvitiya Ekavachana.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Dhanyavad.
Mahodaya. Sorry, just I saw in Sanskrit Abhyas a while back, they were mentioning Nabaha to be Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti. So and this is only a Pumlinga Shabd, it's not even in the Napumsakalinga. So I'm a little confused about this still, Mahodaya. I'm sorry.
Can you check the Nabas Shabda, please?
Yeah, I just checked, Mahodaya, but now the
Nabaha is correct in Dvitiya?
it is mentioning Sambodhana. Dvitiya, it is Nabas.
No, please. Dvitiya, Nabas is actually maybe some reversed form that they are showing. It is a Pratipadika form. So Nabaha is the Dvitiya Ekavachana form.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Okay. Please
All right.
cross check your table.
Sure.
Nabaha is the Dvitiya Ekavachana form and it fits perfectly in the Nabaha and Prithvi cha. How can you pull Nabaha away from Prithvi?
I agree here. Both of them are supposed to be objects. Therefore, it has
Yes. And so beautifully fits this heaven and earth phrase translation they have done so nicely.
I agree there.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So we do have no except we argued with their simple. There is no confusion. Vyaduranayan Nadayan is not in Pratama. I agree it's in Pratama, but it is Shatranta Pratama. It doesn't deserve such a silly treatment along with Gosha. It deserves a verbal treatment. That means it is a clausal verb. So should be orange colored and should be shifted down. And we should reorder the Anvaya a little bit. You guys are okay to follow this, but I would tab it a little bit. But more or less may come out like that. Okay, let's see. Vyadarayat Kriyapadam. Okay, Artha that's basically rented or broke apart or split, that sense. Kaha Vyadarayat Goshaha Saha Goshaha, they have pulled in Saha. Nice, no problem. We no need to sillily ask Kidrishaha Goshaha Saha Goshaha. It's we have generally seen pronouns are pulled in. Let us keep that habit. It's simple. Overdoing the Anvaya is also not, I am not a lover of that. Kidrishaha Goshaha, there is some quality in Tumulaha. So definitely we should go to Kidrishaha. Kidrishaha Goshaha, Tumulaha Goshaha. This one pulls away all the way into there. Okay, because it's a Pratama and it doesn't fit into the second half. So it's better to take it with the clausal verb. Actually, the clausal verb is right there before Tumula. So both of them go with Gosha, literally. This whole thing goes there and then the rest, that pada follows. Okay. So Kim Kurvan Vyadarayat Vyanunadayan. So they brought in that clausal verb in this way. Okay. See, Kurvan, literally Shatranta is staring in the question. Okay. Kim Vyanunadayan, Nabaha Vyanunadayan. See, clearly Ditya Vibhakti is staring at us there. Punaha Kam Vyanunadayan, Strilinga Prithvim. Because it's three, Prithvi, she combines with the Purusha Nabha. So that's okay. So Prithvim Cha Eva, they pulled in the ancillaries nicely. Okay. Kani Vyadarayan, Vyadarayat. Sorry, that verb. So they have brought back to the original verb. Hridayani Vyadarayat, Kesham Hridayani, Dhatrashranam Hridaya. Okay, they have pulled in this lot. You can push it there and also talk about the rest. Okay, not a problem. Okay, but this is more or less the standard sentence order. Saha tumulaha goshaha nabaha prithvim cha vyanunadayan kurvan Dhartarashranam hridayani vyadarayat eva. Like that. Atava hridayani eva vyadarayat. You can take the eva surprise into hridayani also. That's also nice. It probably reads better. Hridayani eva vyadarayat. It rented their hearts itself. That means that kind of power it had. Like that. Okay. Any questions?
Mahodaya, I have a clarification to make.
Please.
Mahodaya, this Nabas Shabd, what you have written is correct and it should be Napumsakalinga Shabd. Unfortunately, that is what is missing. So I checked in the other sites and they are mentioning masculine is also possible, Napumsakalinga is also possible. Whereas in Napumsakalinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan is Nabaha. So that is perfectly fitting here. So this is
okay, so we should read it as Napumsaka sky. Okay.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Okay.
Thank you, Mohan.
No problem. That's very helpful.
if that is changed, the Prathama also will change, Mahodaya, then.
No, its form is Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha. No argument. Otherwise, you would have expected Ravi Shankar Mahodaya to correct that also. So I am trusting him.
Acha. Nabas shabda hai, nabha, nabasi, nabamsi, Mahodaya. That's why I said. Okay.
Mahodaya, Jayashree Mahodaya is perfectly correct. It is Nabasi Nabam. So it is like Vachas Shabd it has to follow. She is correct.
So then Pullinga Dvivachana form is what?
Pumlinga Dvivachana.
Nabasam.
Nabasam. Yes, it is
Yes,
different.
Mahodaya.
It follows Manas Shabd, Vachas Shabd, Yashash Shabd. Exactly the same format.
Nabas, Nabasi, Nabamsi va.
Yes.
Sorry to Mahodaya, like.
Is it correct? Dirgha Si, Nabamsi.
Nabamsi, choti si.
Raswa. The Vivachana is Dirgha, right?
Dirgha.
Okay. Correct. We stand corrected. So and then
both
Nabasau, this will also be Nabasi.
Both will be same.
Nabamsi.
Nabha, Nabasi, Nabamsi.
Only Ekavachana has a variation there, which is
Ekavachana, Prathama Vibhakti is also Nabaha.
Napunsakalingam, Prathama, Dvitiya, all same, na?
Yes, perfect. This is perfect, Mahodaya.
Nabaha, Nabasi, Nabamsi. So Pullinge Katam, Mahodaya Vadatu?
It will be, one second, Mahodaya. One second.
Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha, Nabasam, Nabasau, Nabasaha.
Nabaha, Nabasau.
Nabaha, Nabasau, Nabasaha.
Nabaha, wow, interesting.
Yeah.
Nabaha, Nabas, so Dirgha,
from
Nabaha, like Raj.
Samsadhini site, Mahodaya, I'm telling.
No, that's okay. Nabaha, Nabasau.
Nabasaha.
Nabasaha.
Nabasam, Nabasau, Nabasaha.
So what I had was like a bad combination. Great. Okay, that will help us in the future. Always good to know these things. Very tough word. Not an easy one. Okay. Only thing I had right was Nabaha. The Dvitiya position. Funny. Okay. So, they have more today. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this one is like a compound because the sentence closure is obtained with both in position, including the quote that comes in the end. So let's read them together. Anybody wants to volunteer to read this?
अहमिच्छामि महोदय.
करतु महोदय.
अत व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा दातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः.
पुनः.
अत व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा दातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः.
शस्त्र सम्पाते. शस्त्र सम्पाते. ओके. तत्र दीर्घः नास्ति. अथ and therefore afterwards, something like that. Sometimes you take the meaning therefore, sometimes you take the meaning of tada, like that. Okay, so here it's in the sense of tada. Okay, at that time, afterwards, something like that. Vyavasthitan Dhritarashtran Drishtva, the organized Dhritarashtra Sainya having seen, Kapidvajaha, the one with the flag of Hanuman. Okay, so this is again Bahuvrihi. Yasya dvajaha kapihi eva asti saha kapidvajaha. So here it is the Ratha which is carrying the dvaja, but it is because it's representing Arjuna, the Ratha. So he is the Kapidvaja. His Ratha is also Kapidvaja. And the Dvaja is also Kapidvaja. Be very careful. Sanskritam is very powerful. Huh? See, Kapidvaja is the sanya for the flag. Kapidvaja is also possibly the translated sanya for the Ratha. Kapidvaja is also the translated sanya for Arjuna, potentially for Krishna as the Sarathi. So we have to be very contextually aware of what is the sign we are looking at here. Is the flag are we talking about? Is it the person who is having such a flag? Is it the Ratha which is having such a flag? Any of those meanings can be taken there. Okay, so we have to be very careful. And then, so here clearly it's Arjuna. Pravrutte Shastra Sampate Danuhu Udyamya Pandavaha. So Pandavaha goes with Kapidvajaha. So it's the title for Arjuna again. So double title he gets. Okay. Dhanuhu Udyamya, having lifted his Dhanu. Okay. Dhanus, Dhanur, Dhanuhu Udyamya, Dhanurudyamya. Repa. Okay, Shastra Sampate, Pravrutte Shastra Sampate. So this is what we call Sati Saptami Prayoga. Upon the conditioned upon the occurrence of massive, massive. I am imagining the clash of weapons. Okay, conditioned upon the potential clash of weapons that is going to happen by these Dhritarashtras. Okay, like that. Okay, so that part. Then let's see the second and then come to the whole Anvaya slowly. Hrishike, read this, Bhagini.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत
पुनः
ऋषिकेशं तथा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत.
Very good. See now, Bhagini correctly split. Whenever, see, when you are taking the avasana, because your raga requires that yati break between reading, you have to know where to split. Some people here, most people will do it right. They will do vakyami damaha mahipate. It's totally gone. Okay, not only the vritti is all broken up, the meaning also gets smashed up. But she broke it accurately. In fact, there is no there is only samyuktakshara there. Vakyam idamaha mahipate. So she split at vakyam and read off that pada because it concludes the 8 letters we need for the first pada. Thank you. Okay. So senayoho ubayoho madhye ratham sthapayamechuta. So Hrishikesha is obviously the Gudakesha is the guy with the bundled up hair. I know, beautiful titles. Hrishikesha is the guy with the spread Harshita hair. Okay, so it's Krishna. So karma position. Hrishikesham tada at that time. So another alias for Atha. Vakyam idam aha. So this sentence he told. What he told? Hey Mahipate. Actually, Mahipate cannot apply to Krishna. We have to pull it. I think I have pulled it correctly here. We have to pull it off, and this is Sanjay. Very difficult sometimes to
Emperor, no? Emperor.
Yeah. So this Mahipate is pulled out as if it is Sanjaya addressing Dhritarashtra saying, "Hey Mahipate." Sanjayo Vacha would be there before this, maybe somewhere. So, hey Mahipate, then all this he tells Dhritarashtra whatever happened. Okay. So
Mahodaya,
huh.
Senayor Rubayor Madhya is Arjuna Uvacha, the second line.
But Mahipate.
Sanjay Uvacha.
So the Sanjay Uvacha is inserted in between this pada, is it?
No, Arjuna Uvacha is inserted in between this two lines.
Oh, sorry, Arjuna Uvacha. My bad. Arjuna Uvacha is inserted here. So Mahipate goes to Sanjaya. Okay, very nice. Goes to Sanjaya's ukti to Dhritarashtra. That means more, it's more clear. That's why we should probably read the original text with the correct. Here we are just pulling stuff and forgetting that Arjuna Uvacha is there here. Okay, fine. All right. So, He Mahipate, Sanjaya says to Dhritarashtra, starts off there. Atha Shastra Sampate Pravrutte Sati, Sati Saptami. And here, upon the, the potential clash of weapons, okay, conditioned upon that, Kapidvachaha Pandavaha Arjunaha, okay, Vyavasthitan Dhaturashtran Drishtva, clausal, okay, Dhanuhu Udyamya, another clausal, having lifted his bow. Why did he lift his bow? You may ask. Why did Vyasa put this phrase there? Because later on he has to bring it down. Remember, later on, after all that crying, almost the chapter ends with him dropping the bow, right? So Vyasa is preparing us for that. That's all is the use of this phrase. Okay, Tada at the time, that means he started off, oh Krishna, take me there, I am going to kill them. And okay, so Tada after that, at that time, Hrishikesham idam vakyam, aha, it ends there. Then Arjuno vacha he achyuta, that is the hrisva there, achyuta. Me achyuta, that one is the Me ratham, I didn't like this part of how he says. Anyway, Senayoho Ubayoho Madhye, amidst the two senas, Ubaya is both. Okay, Shashti, so Dvivachana. Senayoho Ubayoho Madhye, amidst the two senas. Shashti only, not Saptami, because of that Madhye. So this is Shashti. Then Me Ratham, Mama Me. Okay, alias version of Mama. So Mama Ratham. See this Darshtya. Okay, Dhanuhu Udyamma Mama Ratham ityapi kathayati. Okay, tatra Shri Krishna api asti, parantu Mama Ratha iti vadati. Asmakam iti vadet, parantu tatra evamapi svikartum shaknumah, tatra asmakam iti कथम एकस्मिन् अक्षरे एव दीर्घाक्षरे एव कथम सः वक्तुं शक्यते मम आवयोः अस्माकं नः. So he could have used no, right? No achyuta. Okay, so without breaking the vritti, he could have done no there because dirgha akshara. So no achyuta, like that he could have done. So for he could have done a visarga utva and all that and achieved it. Not done. May. So see, you have to read all these little things and take the bhava from the kavi. How careful he has been. Okay. Sthapaya, establish my ratha in between the two. So lot. So good. So we'll go into what they have analyzed now. Thanks for reading, Bhagini. The sentence in Shloka 14 continues, it's not original Shloka 14, continues into the next Shloka. Therefore, Anvaya of the two verses is given together, no problem. So, Padavibhaga, we have pretty much seen this. We are experts now. Okay. Not me, but you guys. So, I'm saying we. I'm taking me also along with you guys. Dhanuhu Udyamya, Dhanurudyamya, Repa. Visarga repa, senayoho ubayoho, senayorubayoho is there. Correct. Again, another repamsha. Okay. Ubayor, again repa. See, ubayor madhye, so double visarga repa sandhi. Yeah, visarga repa sandhi. It's not repa sandhi. Visarga sandhi repaha iti prutak vaktavyam yatha taihi suchitam. Visargasya repavat आगमः. मे अच्युतः, सो मम मे अच्युतः पूर्वरूप संधिः किमर्थम् अकारस्य लोपः कृतमस्ति तो अ इति नास्ति. लोपकरणेन एव अत्र वृत्तिभङ्गः न भवति. यदि अ इति स्थापयामः अत्र वृत्तिभङ्गः भवति. सी रथम 2 स्थापय 3 5 मे च्युत 8. If I take me achyuta, we are gone. It goes into 9 letters. So Purva Rupa should not be pronounced. So Ratham Stapaya me Achyuta. Never go me Achyuta. You are breaking the vritti. Okay. You might make up by somehow dragging the ta and thinking it's all falling into raga. But it doesn't. Me Achyuta. A should be completely elided. It comes by splitting only. Is that clear? Okay. Oh, great king, Mahipate. Address. Oh, the great king, Sanjaya says to Dhritarashtra, on seeing the sons of Dhritarashtra, huh? So Vyavasthitan Dhritarashtra Drishtva has been taken into English first, who were standing in an array. That is the Vyavasthitan. The Vyavasthitan is explained in standing in array. When weapons were about to strike, that is the Sati Saptami. Ata Shastra Sampate Pravrutte Sati iti taken up. Okay. Arjuna the monkey bannered. So silly, it reads in English. They could have at least said bannered with the sign of Hanuman. Anyway, raised his bow, lifted his bow, and spoke these words to Sri Krishna, Hrishikesha. Oh Achyuta, fine. Park my chariot, very well translated, in between the two armies. Okay. Till now, you learnt how to analyze a sentence by recognizing the words in different cases, the numbers and genders. Fine. Hereafter, you will learn how to do the Vakya Vishleshana in tabular form. So now they are taking us to another technique of using a table. Okay. You've kind of probably seen that here and there already. You guys have already, somebody has nicely shared pretty much the Anvaya of all the Subhashitas also. So also this also I think earlier was shared for the first for the Anvaya shlokas. So you guys have the reference where they have done in great detail. But let us take this chance. See, here in this class, it's not as if I'm going to teach anything you guys don't know or may find elsewhere. The thing is, we are all gathered here to spend time together. So we are doing combined study. That's how I take it. So I'll just end with this. Not too much time left. Those words that end in thing are verbs. Fine. Gacchati, agachat, jagama, gacchatu, lot, etc. Vakyan, tvanta, lyabanta, tumunanta, shatranta should have been included specifically because they're teaching that. Denote kriya. Okay. While tvanta, there are many more that denote kriya, but they have brought those into the equation here. While tvanta and lyabanta words indicate an asamapta kriya, that the something that has not been completed yet, because how they indicate asamapta kriya?
Because something else will follow that, no Mahodaya?
No. It is asamapta kriya na. Tumun is asamapta kriya. Something is wrong in the way they have explained. See, kritva is asamapta kriya only. Okay. I don't like this explanation. Lyap and tva both are completed actions. Okay, kritva. Kartum is asamapta kriya. Okay, so please take it with a. I would not use words while tvanta and lyabanta indicate a samapta kriya that is over. Tumunanta refers to an uddesha kriya, purpose intended, which is asamapta as yet. Okay, because it will end after the active verb. Like that you have to state. So I don't completely go with the flow of asamapta kriya indication for lyabanta tumun. Okay. To an extent, you can say they are indicating a sense of shatranta there when they say asamapta kriya. If they had at least included shatranta in the list, I could have taken the asamapta kriya sense because there is a current continuity of that kriya. Anyway, we'll not what you call nitpick. A kriya whose purpose.
Mahodaya, it could be in the sentence patitva likami, kritva karumi, like that
in the sense, because after the there is a sense of bhavishya in that sense, though it is all in lat in the end. Yeah, fine. Okay, a kriya whose purpose is intended, that is very clear. Uddesha kriya, I have no dispute with tumun and for that. In the column of kriya and the category to which they belong is indicated in brackets as a tvanta, etc. So clausal verbs we will indicate this way. They are saying they also have their own kartru, karma, etc. We have seen this. Clausal verbs have their own kartru, karma. Sometimes the kartru is common, but the karma will be unique sometimes. The words that, but if A finishes something and after that B does something else, then there is no kartru samya also. Okay, if A is doing first and then that's it. But we don't use tvanta lebanta like that. Sita karyam krutva ramaha vanam gacchati is an illegal sentence. Okay, because you can do the clausal thing if there is something shared. in the sense. Okay, so little bit of misstatement from me saying that, you know, it cannot be two different kartas perhaps. Anyway, the words that came that come in the column named kaha question are kartrupadani and those that ending in pratama vibhakti. So kaha, so it need not be answered in pullinga sometimes, but kaha is that common title for kaha, ka, kim, you can say. Okay, similarly the words in the column kam is for kam, kam and kani. Kam, kim, ke, kani, kim only for napumsaka, kim only. So kam, kam, kim is the three linga variants. Karma padani ending in dvitiya vibhakti. In the same way, the words in all other vibhaktis are also grouped under different columns. Kaha pratamantaha, kam dvitiyantaha, kena tritiyantaha, kasmai chaturtantyaha. Like this, they have indicated kasmat, kada, kutra. So we will come back after lunch and continue our pursuit of studying this table for method of assorting the vibhaktis and verbs, and then see how to finally again stack the Anvaya Rachana in the way they have been doing, and also look at these lovely pictures that our artists have created. So take a nice lunch break and gather back at 3 o'clock again today. No 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock again today. Okay. All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
Dhanyawad, sir. Thank